And what's happening YouTube, it's your boy Tech TRX back in our video, and today we are looking at the Govee Star Pal Pro. Basically, if you want a spotlight for your home, you can connect on your smartphone and change whatever color you want. You'll be able to do that with this. So let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Hit the notification bell as well so you can be notified when I do this tips, tricks, and unboxing just like this one. Check out merch blog no130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up and show you how to install it as well and connect it to your phone. This is also compatible with Google and Alexa. There you go. So what you get in the box here, pretty simple device. Let's take off the styrofoam up here, lift right there, boom, and then the dome itself, there you go, and then the box right there for accessory. That's it for the box. Let's put that on the side for now. Let's take it off of the plastic right here. There you go. Pretty cool design there, right? Pretty simple as well for those of you who likes the minimalist design. Let's see what else we get in the box here. Get the power adapter and some instruction manual. It's the Govee light right here. Basically little dome. Pretty simple device. In the back there's just a adapter hole right there and also a button right up there, which changes the light for you. There you go. Not much to it. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the app. There it is. What you need to do is open up the user manual right here, and then we're gonna go to camera and install the app. There you go. Hit that. There you go. We're gonna install the Govee Home. I already have it on my device and I already registered, so let's just go ahead and open that up. Hit OK. Let's go ahead and log into this. There you go. Just gonna make an account and then we're gonna verify it with our email. Once you've done the setup and you've already made an account, it'll look like this in the front there. And then what you'll do is you can hit home right here so that you can see your connected devices. From here as well, you can hit the plus button so you can add a new device. And here we're just gonna look at indoor lighting. This is the Govee portable table lamp. There you go. And then hit this as well right there so that we can connect to the device. Short press on the button on the back there. There you go. We're just going to change this to portable dome light. Hit done. Now we're going to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Make sure that you are using a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, not a 5 gigahertz. There you go. We are connected to the Wi-Fi, and as you can see, it has a new version. We're just gonna hit upgrade now. Now there are a lot of options here. As you can see, we're just gonna show you what the app can do here, and then you're gonna see the light change as well with it. So let's go ahead and go with FX Lab right here, and as you can see, you can pick all the different basic colors and also match the color to whatever you want. There's dessert right here, jelly bean to hard candy. So you can see there's so much customizable light for this, different colors to different occasions, different holidays. There you go. It's fall season right now, so obviously that's what we're aiming to get here, which is really cool. Sun's right here. There's a bunch of fruits as well. Seasons. If you want fall season right away, boom, hit that fall season, right? Maybe you would like the red version there. There's also the national flags. You got all the flags here, whatever you want. Buildings, animals, flowers, gems, paintings, and all sorts of things. Now you can also put a timer right here. Maybe you want to use this for waking you up in the morning, or maybe during a sleep you want a night light. You can use this as well for that. And here you can use a battery saver, or you can turn it off as well. So you can see here with the battery saver, it'll extend it to longer times. You don't have to keep it plugged in as well, so that's really good. There's the brightness as well, where you can change by just sliding that. There's modes as well for music, where it'll change where it hears. It actually hears the sound, and it'll change right there. As you could see, the light is changing with my voice, which is really cool. There's also the color, where you could change the color. This is the normal way to do it. There's also scenes. For example, you want to use this for different things like Natural Life Festival, right here for Mother's Day, or Halloween. It's also the ghost, right? It'll have that. There you go. It's also for Valentine's Day and just different stuff, right? Like you can use it for emotions as well. You can turn it off by just clicking it up here. There you go. Cool. There's also the calm on the music there. Or you can use the music as well from your phone so that it'll change with that. Let's go ahead and play music right now, and let's see if it'll change to that. As you can see there, it's changing with the music, which is really cool. That's really cool, right? It's synced with the music. There you go. There's also the dynamic where it changes by itself. As you can see there, it's really cool. Very, very fast as well on the reaction. There's also the calm there as well, if you want to use that with that. You can also change the color. It doesn't have to be the auto color. You can change it. Maybe it's all yellow, it's all green. Do whatever you want, even with color wheels and everything. Now, if you wanted to use this with Alexa, what you need to do is enable to use right here. You're just going to go to the skills, and you're just going to download and enable the Govee home account right here, which is going to log in as well, like so. And there you go. Now it's connected with our Alexa. You're going to hit discover devices. My Echo device up there upstairs is telling me that it is connected, and there's more devices on my Govee home. Now, if it's for Google, what you need to do is just go to Google Home, hit plus up here. There you go, set up a device, and then works with Google. You're just gonna search for Govee home right there. Then you're gonna do the exact same thing by logging in, and that's it. Now your devices from Govee home will then be able to be used on the Google Home app. There you go. So you can see it's able to detect the portable light and the living room lamp right there. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new light just like this one. I would recommend this for people who have kids and also babies, or maybe just want a little accent light for your home. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button as well, so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.